Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Creative Outlier Air with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you don't have it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings, and after that open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and press and hold at your left earbud until this LED light starts blinking blue and red. Here we go. Now we can see it as a device list, so just click Connect. After that, it should ask you to pair your right earbud, and as you can see, we have it. So click Connect. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.